To help with finding your correct product and to better show you our range of items, Henry Schein's website now has grouped together products that will now show up instead of all the individual items in the search. Please note, to currently view the range of each product, you will need to be logged in. However, a list of all products is available to see when the Product Options tab is opened on the page. To purchase products that have been grouped together, go to the group's product page, select the specifications of the product that you want from the drop-downs, and click Add to Cart when you have inputted the correct quantity. If you want to add a different product from the same group, simply change the specifications and click Add to Cart when the new product has been selected.